Hello from the Boynton Beach City Library. I'm Christina. Today I will show you shrink plastic. This is a type of plastic that when heated, it shrinks and thickens and makes a wonderful keychain. Keep for yourself or give as a gift. Supplies include shrink plastic sheets, either with pre-designed stencils or blank sheets to make your own, scissors, single hole punch, pliers, keychain material, colored pencils, parchment paper to protect your surface, and a heat gun. Let's get started. For the pre-designed stencil, color in the stencil. When shrink plastic is shrunk down, the colors will intensify and brighten. Cut the stencil out from the rest of the sheet and punch out the hole. Cut out the stencil. You do not have to follow the dotted line. I decided to cut off that extra flower. But be sure to cut off the dotted line, or it will be visible on the keychain once the plastic is shrunk down. Use the tip of the pliers to keep the plastic cut out from blowing away. Turn on the heat gun and hold it over the plastic until it warms up and shrinks down. The plastic will be hot. Do this next step carefully. Fold the parchment paper over on top of the shrunken plastic and press down to make sure the keychain is flat. Once the plastic has cooled completely, connect the keychain material. To make a keychain using the blank plastic sheets, print out a picture and trace the image onto the plastic. Print the image larger than you want the keychain to allow for shrinkage. Cut out the stencil. Decide where to punch the hole for the keychain and cut out the shape. Use the heat gun to shrink the plastic. Using caution, as the items will be hot, use the parchment paper to press it flat. Once the plastic is cooled completely, attach the keychain. And we're done. Thanks for watching.